Of course, when you just look mildly beneath the surface, you realise that it's not quite like that, and in actual fact, the idea of conspiracy of silence and confusion is what the building is really about. Of course, putting up a statue here and there is generally done in this town. It's literally like filled with like weird statues of this and that. A lot of the statues and monuments are in fact symbols of death, and they've just added in a new symbol of death up at Trafalgar Square, which is why I'm walking in this direction. And so I wanted to show you the mystical dead horse and illustrate that what people think it means isn't quite what it actually means. Sorry, I just nearly bumped into someone. I was distracted trying to get the shot of the strange, spooky owl, which they keep in a small van, because apparently that's terrifying to a pigeon. I think a pigeon is much bigger than that, so I'm not sure. What's he got now? He's got some other, yeah, it's another one, look. It's like a tiny, like, spooky little, strange, gremlin-like creature, which they bring here as a form of, as a device to strike terror into the hearts of pigeons. Because, you know, pigeons used to be very successful here. They're not successful anymore because they are too scared of death. So they bring the symbol of death and they show it around to the pigeons, and the pigeons essentially wither and die and have to go elsewhere to find prosperity.